Alright guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create an animation on Scratch. If you don't already know what Scratch is, it's basically a website that allows you to create games with more simpler codes than the rest of the codes. So we're going to click this create button. Let's wait a little. Okay, as you see, you'll get this sprite, and it's not the only sprite. The bottom, it's X. You can move your character with X, and you can move your character can jump using Y. See, the X changes as I put the character back and forth, and the Y can change as well. So here's how you make an animation on Scratch. First, always you need to do this. When you click the green flag, the game starts. So you need to do that. And then if you drag the move 10 steps here, the character will move 10 steps. As you probably know, the character has costumes. This is a walking animation. And if you do this, sometimes you always need a forever on your, maybe not a forever. You have to do repeat. Repeat is not forever, but if you click repeat 48 or something, now look, see? It can move, but it's not forever. As you see, if I drag the character, all the way, okay, let's just do repeat third. And if I drag the character all the way back here, and I click the button, it's gonna stop at right here. So that is it. So it doesn't matter if you do. If it's 5 steps, then it stops right here. So you best do 10 steps. If you want the character to go all the way over a page, you should do repeat 38. When you click it, see, it almost goes over the page. Now, if you do repeat 40, it should go over the page. Now, you're probably thinking, wait, but I only have such a small page to work with. When am I going to make an animation out of this? Well, let me tell you. There are different backdrops. And this is the first backdrop. We can add another blank white backdrop. And see, there are 2 backdrops now. And if we click back to sprite 1, and then there's also a thing called costumes. I told you, right? So if there's only 2 costumes and it's a walking animation, you can just do repeat 40, next costume. Move 10 steps. See? Now the character will actually walk. But usually you put next costume under the 10 steps, I think. That'll work. See? Now, the character is walking. And after he goes here, you have to get out of this area because that's only for that specific code. So you can switch backdrop to backdrop 2. See? Now, oh, yeah, I forgot to mention. You also need a code saying when the green flag is clicked, you have to go somewhere, or else the character is just going to stay there for everybody. So, for the character here, there is a code that says go to X minus 200. Yeah, it depends on where your character is. If I put the character right here, the code's going to change. So if you want a character to start at a specific Okay, if you want your character to start at a specific spot, you can put the code here. If you want your character to be smaller, you go to looks. As you see, there's hide and show. You can hide your character with this and show your character with this. And there's also a thing that says set size. So if you want your character to be smaller, then you should set his size to 50%. See? Now he's way smaller. So now you need to change the code again because that code was for the big guy. And now you have to rip apart this code and then put that in there. It's like a garbage bin. So you put this code out again. See? It's different now. Now you set size to 50. Now, when the character is smaller, you need it more. So I'm going to do 45 and see if it works. Character's moving. Yeah, it has enough. And then, as you see, the backdrop 2 isn't working. Let me check if, oh yeah, right. As you guys see, it actually works. It's because they're all white. So after that, you need to put your character right here where he was supposed to be. So right there. And then you put this, go to this place, switch back, put the backdrop 2. You can also make your character say stuff by going to looks and saying hello. 2 seconds. And then you can put a block again. You can also change this and you can change the seconds. And then you can ask how are you doing. But that's not this code. The code is this one. It says ask how are you doing and wait. How are you doing? How are you doing? And wait. So, answer? Yes. Oh, no, we don't need that answer. How are you doing? And wait. Okay, so let's do this. Oh. How are you doing? Good. And wait. How are you doing? Good. And then you can just wait some seconds. Oh, no. You should broadcast message 1. Oh, no. Okay, so how are you doing? And wait. You then need to put broadcast message 1, I think. And then, oh, no, that's just for 2 sprites. Ask everyone your name and wait. And after he answers, okay, let's just do this. Broadcast message 1 and wait. And then go here. When I receive message 1, say okay. Okay, say okay. Okay, 2 seconds. Oh, I have to broadcast message 1 and wait. Broadcast message 1 and wait. I have never used this broadcast message 1 and wait. Okay, so, hello, how are you doing? Good. Okay. And then, okay. Okay, so after that, you can continue on the code. So, wait 1 second, so your character doesn't do anything for 1 second. Oh, and also, you have to go here, and then set, when the green flag clicked, you have to go to, switch to backdrop 1, because that's where you were. Okay, so after you've done this, let's go back onto this code. This code does, okay, so what you're gonna put here is wait 1 second, move 10 steps, and then move 10 steps, say bye. See you next time. And you have a short animation. Now, if you play it out just like this, it'll be this. How are you doing? Get good. Okay, and then wait 1 second. Oh, I just did something wrong. Okay, I need to. Where is it? Okay. Pete. Oh, no. I only want to repeat 10. Can't do that. Gotta do this. Pete 30, and then say bye. So, see? As you see, it's a small animation story. You can respond. And now, oh, I forgot one last thing. You gotta switch the costume. Next costume, right here. And also, you also have to add this. When the green flag clicked, go to this place, set size to 50%, switch backdrop to backdrop 1, switch costume to costume 1. So that means he'll be standing on the ground, not like this. That's weird. So, yeah, there you go. Short animation story. Ta-da!